Let me ask you something. If working hard made people rich, why are some of the hardest working people still broke? Why do doctors, lawyers, and corporate executives earning six figures still live paycheck to paycheck, while some quiet investors build wealth in the background? The truth is this: the rich don't work for money. They build systems that make money work for them. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they actually build wealth and why most people are playing the wrong game. Most of us were raised with this formula: go to school, get good grades, get a good job, work hard, save money, retire rich. Sounds safe, sounds logical, but here's the problem. That formula creates income. It does not create wealth. Income is money you earn. Wealth is assets you own. And that difference changes everything. The wealthy don't focus on earning more money first. They focus on owning things that grow in value and generate income. If you only trade time for money, you are always limited, because your time is limited. Most people do this when they make more money. Upgrade their car, upgrade their house, upgrade their lifestyle. The rich do something different. They upgrade their assets first. Instead of buying a luxury car, they might buy stocks, businesses, real estate, intellectual property, equity in startups. Why? Because assets produce cash flow, and cash flow buys freedom. Let me simplify it. Poor mindset: I got a raise, I can afford more expenses. Rich mindset: I got a raise. How can I turn this into something that pays me forever? That shift alone separates wealth builders from everyone else. Biggest secret? The rich are patient. While most people want quick profits, fast returns, overnight success, wealthy investors think in decades. Look at someone like Warren Buffett. He didn't become wealthy from one big trade. He became wealthy through consistent investing, compounding, holding quality assets for decades. Compounding is the unfair advantage of the patient. If you invest $500 a month consistently for 20 to 30 years, the math becomes insane. But most people quit after 6 months because it's too slow. Wealth is boring, and that's why most people never build it. Employees earn salaries. Owners earn leverage. There are only 3 main ways to build serious wealth. 1. Own equity in businesses. 2. Own appreciating assets. 3. Own scalable systems. The wealthy obsess over ownership. That could mean starting a business, buying shares in companies, investing in rental properties, creating digital assets that scale. You don't have to start big, but you do have to start owning something, because ownership multiplies effort. Working harder increases income slightly. Owning something increases income exponentially. Here's something no one talks about. Wealth building is psychological. When markets crash, most people panic. When markets rise, most people get greedy. The wealthy do the opposite. They buy when others are fearful. They stay calm when others are euphoric. They understand that volatility is temporary. But ownership is permanent. Emotional control is a financial superpower. When wealthy people make money, they don't celebrate with a bigger lifestyle. They reinvest. Dividends? Reinvested. Profits? Reinvested. Business income? Reinvested. This creates a snowball effect. And eventually, the snowball becomes unstoppable. At some point, the money makes more money than they ever could working. That's the goal. Here's the good news. You don't need millions to think like the rich. You need discipline. You need patience. You need ownership. Start small. Invest consistently. Learn high-income skills. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Build assets before upgrading your life. The rich weren't born knowing this. They just understood one thing earlier than everyone else. Wealth is built quietly, slowly, strategically. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Stop focusing only on income. Start focusing on ownership. Because income pays bills. Ownership builds freedom. And freedom is the real definition of wealth. If this changed your perspective, subscribe for more real-world wealth strategies. We're not here to chase money. We're here to build it. See you in the next one.